A cheerful good morning to all. Myself Savita, your educator. Our today's topic is birds. Children, did you see a bird flying in the sky? Yes. Now tell me, what is a bird? A bird is a creature with feathers and wings. Lay eggs. Most birds can fly. All the birds have two legs, wings and feathers, a beak and tail. Birds can fly with the help of wings. There are various types of birds. Some are small and some are big. Birds make their nest on the tree and lay eggs on the nest. Let's learn some names of birds. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Which bird is this? Kingfisher. It is blue and orange in color. It eats only fish. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Sparrow is brown in color. It eats small seeds. It makes the sound of creeping. Pigeon. Which bird is this? Pigeon. A pigeon is grey in color. It has small feet and a beak. It eats seeds. Goose. This is a goose. Hen. Which bird is this? Hen. Hen is brown in color. Hen has a strong red beak on its face. Hen has a red comb on its head. Hen lay eggs. We eat these eggs. But hen cannot fly. Owl. This is an owl. An owl comes out of his nest only in night. An owl can see only at night. Children, tell me, which bird is this? It has a long legs and long neck that protrudes from a round body. Which bird is this? Ostrich. Yes, this is ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. But ostrich cannot fly. Penguin. This is a penguin. Penguins cannot fly. They use their wings to swim extremely fast underwater. Penguin eats small fishes and other animals of the sea. Crow. This is a crow. Crow is black in color. It has a sharp beak to eat food. Which bird is this? Any guesses? Which bird? Parrot. Yes, this is a parrot. A parrot is green in color. It has a curved beak and sharp clawed feet. Parrot eat seeds. Peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock is a beautiful bird. It has colorful feathers. Peacock loves to dance in the rain. Peacock is our national bird. Children, have you ever seen a peacock dancing in the rain? Peacock eat seeds and small insects. Duck. This is a duck. A duck lives in water. A duck eats fish and frog. Turkey. This is a turkey. Turkey are big birds. Turkeys are omnivorous, that they eat both plants and animals. Vulture. This is a vulture. Vultures are large birds of prey. Unlike other birds of prey, vultures usually do not hunt for live animals. They mostly eat dead meat and garbage instead. Eagle. This is an eagle. Eagles are large, powerful birds of prey. Eagles have large hooked beak. Eagles build their nest on high cliffs or in tall trees. Eagles eat snakes and rabbits. Eagles that eat meat are also known as birds of prey. Children, you learned so many birds' names. Now, here is a question for you. Name some birds. Tell me the names of birds. Yes, parrot, peacock, penguin, hen, vulture, eagle, ostrich, duck. Yes, you have to learn the names of birds. Okay, bye children.